I'm super excited to be here today. It's about 6:30. I'm just about to start. This trail has been on my list for a long time, and I'm super nervous. I don't know what to expect. I know it's going to be super difficult, and I'm about to get started, so enjoy. So I'm really taking advantage of the first part of the trail by almost running it, and I'm just going to try to jam through it as fast as I can. So that's where I'm at. Super pretty views though. I'm super happy I got up. Almost a full moon. It's February 8th, and we're out here getting it, boys. So let's go. Guys, we're approaching the last mile of the mountain here, and it's been a tough one, I'm not gonna lie. Lots of scree, super steep, a smidgen of a scramble, but been pretty nice the whole time. Alright guys, I made it. Iron Mountain, baby. Oh man, the elevation gain was a lot. Alright guys, I'm pretty sad to say that I had a technical malfunction with my BioLite. It wasn't lighting. I don't know if it was something I did or I was doing wrong, but I couldn't get it to light up. My BioLite wasn't turning on and I couldn't cook, so I'm heading back. It's about 2:20. I got about 8 miles to go at least back to the van. Hopefully I'm back by 5:30. That would be pretty amazing, but we'll definitely see what happens here. Hopefully like 3.5 hours. I'm going to try to run a little bit, try not to fall. It's a long road back, you guys. This hike was one of the hardest hikes. Oh, look at me forgetting my poles here. This was one of the hardest hikes I've ever done, but it's super worth it here. Oh, baby. Turning around, Iron Mountain. All right, there's Iron Mountain. Sun is setting. I'm like an hour and a half from the car, but it's gonna end just like it started, in the dark.